Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me begin by saying this. If you live in Malta or you're a tourist, check out this guy's English Cafe Malta. So they organize international meetups and activities like hiking, games night and many others, and they give you an opportunity to explore the country and meet people at the same time. So do well to check them out. I'll link their Instagram in my description. Thank you. So of course there was a fee, but honestly for the experience it wasn't bad. So we paid 20 euros per person. We met at a location and the bus was organized to take us from the location to the port, and boats were organized to take us to Comino and back. We have a bathroom break right now. So I think there's like 50 of us going on this trip to Comino. So we're going to have when we get to Comino, we're going hiking, and after hiking we can swim. But I don't think I'm interested. I didn't carry my swimsuit anyways. So we just arrived at Comino, and we're going to begin the hike very soon. Just waiting for others to get down from their boat, and we will start heading somewhere. I don't know where, but it looks really beautiful, and the boat ride was really nice. We passed through the caves, about 3 caves I think we passed through, and it was quite nice to see. After about 2 hours of walking, we eventually arrived at the Blue Lagoon, and the views to the lagoon were absolutely breathtaking. Honestly, nothing prepared us for the amount of people that we met there. It was like everybody in Malta just gathered there. Some people got the opportunity to swim, some people got food, some people just chilled, and eventually it was time for us to head back home. Anyway, that's it about my day in Comino. I hope you absolutely enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.